And so this is an update of my pumpkin seeds that I have been drying out for the last 5 days. And let's check on them. Okay, they look great. And as you can see, they're much drier. And since I use paper towel, they're actually dry on both sides. And it doesn't take any effort at all to remove them. So tomorrow I'm going to take them off of this paper. I'm going to store them in a Ziploc bag because it's inexpensive. And just remember to date and mark whatever seeds you store away. And I do have 3 layers of them, so I did end up with a lot of pumpkin seeds from just the one pumpkin, reducing my cost and definitely saving myself some money. So, and let's face it, there's a lot of pumpkins out this time of year, so like and subscribe. Thanks.